Levels of processing. The levels of processing, or LOP model, was proposed by Craig and Lockhart in 1972 and argues that memory is a byproduct of how a piece of information was originally processed. Whether we remember something depends on how we process it, i.e. what we do with the information. Craig and Lockhart argued against different memory stores. Instead, their model focused on three main components identified in the LOP model as different levels of processing. Structural. This is the lowest level of the three elements and is also sometimes described as shallow or superficial. The features or visual condition of information or a stimulus is analysed. At this level, the way something looks is only thought about very briefly. Phonetic. The intermediate level of processing, sound or auditory condition of information is analysed. When asked if one visually displayed word rhymes with another word, an individual will have to use the equivalent of two sensors, converting a visual image mentally into an auditory image. Semantic. This is the deepest level in LOP. At this level, the actual meaning of words or conditions of information is interpreted. Here, an individual will be forced to analyse a stimulus on a much deeper cognitive level in order to tell if it makes sense or not. How the model works. This model states that important information that matters to an individual will be thought about for a greater period of time, processed on a deeper level, and can then be transferred into long-term memory.